kitchen has always been the heart of the home, a space for connection, creativity, and comfort. In today's design world, the rustic minimalist kitchen stands out as a perfect fusion of warmth and simplicity, blending the charm of natural materials with the clean lines of modern minimalism. This hybrid style celebrates the beauty of imperfection while maintaining order and calm, offering a kitchen that feels both cozy and contemporary. If you're dreaming of a space that balances texture, functionality, and tranquility, a rustic minimalist kitchen design with wood accents might be the perfect inspiration. 1. The essence of rustic minimalism. Rustic minimalism brings together two design philosophies that complement one another beautifully. The rustic side embraces natural elements, wood, stone, and organic textures that evoke a sense of authenticity and warmth. Minimalism, on the other hand, focuses on clarity, balance, and functionality. When these two aesthetics merge, the result is a kitchen that feels welcoming but uncluttered. Every material, color, and surface serves a purpose, creating an atmosphere that is both visually soothing and emotionally grounding. It's about stripping away excess while still celebrating the tactile beauty of handcrafted and natural finishes. 2. A neutral and natural color palette. The color palette sets the tone for the entire kitchen. In a rustic minimalist space, the best approach is to combine neutral shades with earthy undertones. Think of creamy whites, warm beige, and soft grays layered with the natural hues of wood and stone. This palette allows the textures and wood grains to shine while maintaining a calm and cohesive look. You can also incorporate subtle contrasts, black matte hardware, or dark stained beams against lighter cabinetry, to introduce depth without disturbing the minimalist balance. By keeping the color scheme muted and organic, the kitchen feels serene and timeless rather than trendy. 3. The power of wood accents. Wood is the heart of rustic minimalist design. Its organic texture and warmth soften the clean geometry of modern minimalism, grounding the space in comfort and character. Use wood accents strategically to highlight key features of your kitchen. Cabinetry. Natural wood cabinets, whether in oak, walnut, or pine, instantly create warmth. Consider a matte or lightly stained finish to showcase the grain without overpowering the room. Countertops or open shelving. Wooden countertops or floating shelves introduce tactile beauty and provide contrast to sleek white walls or stone surfaces. Ceiling beams or flooring. Exposed wooden beams or reclaimed wood floors add rustic authenticity while maintaining the natural harmony that defines minimalist design. Which should feel organic and imperfect. Knots, grain variations, and raw textures are what make it truly beautiful. These subtle imperfections bring life and soul into a clean, minimalist space. 4. Clean lines and simple forms. While the rustic aspect brings character and coziness, minimalism ensures structure and balance. Clean lines and simple silhouettes are essential in maintaining visual calm. Choose cabinetry with flat panels or smooth shaker styles, avoiding ornate carvings or heavy embellishments. Keep handles sleek or integrated to maintain a seamless appearance. For furniture, opt for practical designs. A solid wood island, simple bar stools, and streamlined open shelving can all achieve a sense of harmony and order. The beauty of this approach lies in restraint. Every detail, from the faucet to the light fixture, is intentional and contributes to the unified design story. 5. Layering natural textures. Texture plays a crucial role in preventing minimalism from feeling cold. A rustic minimalist kitchen thrives on layered textures that add visual interest without clutter. Combine different finishes such as brushed metal, raw stone, linen fabrics, and hand-finished wood. For instance, a smooth marble backsplash paired with wooden cabinets and matte black fixtures creates a sophisticated contrast. Even small details, like woven baskets, clay pots, or ceramic bowls, can add tactile warmth while staying true to the minimalist aesthetic. These elements enrich the space without overwhelming it, proving that simplicity doesn't have to mean sterility. 6. Functional layout and open space. Minimalist kitchens are defined by their functionality. In a rustic minimalist design, this translates to thoughtful organization and open flow. Keep countertops free from unnecessary clutter and focus on essential, beautiful objects: a cutting board, a wooden utensil holder, or a ceramic vase. The layout should feel intuitive and practical. An open-plan kitchen that connects with the dining or living area enhances the sense of spaciousness and community. Islands or breakfast bars with wood finishes can also serve as multifunctional zones for cooking, dining, or casual conversation. The goal is to create a space that works effortlessly while maintaining its aesthetic charm. 7. Lighting that enhances warmth and clarity. Lighting in a rustic minimalist kitchen should balance function and mood. Large windows that allow natural light to flood the room emphasize the organic beauty of wood and natural materials. For artificial lighting, combine warm-tone fixtures with minimalist forms. Think black metal pendants, recessed ceiling lights, or simple glass globes. Ambient lighting can highlight with textures, while task lighting ensures practicality in key work zones. The interplay of light and material enhances the kitchen's welcoming atmosphere, creating depth and comfort even in a simple layout. 8. Sustainable and timeless choices. Rustic minimalism naturally aligns with sustainability. Its focus on natural materials, craftsmanship, and longevity encourages mindful consumption. Choose locally sourced wood, eco-friendly finishes, and energy-efficient appliances to ensure your design is as responsible as it is beautiful. The timeless quality of wood and neutral palettes also means the design will age gracefully, adapting to different trends without losing its authenticity. A rustic minimalist kitchen isn't about temporary style. It's about creating a space that feels enduring and meaningful for years to come. Conclusion: the beauty of balanced living. A rustic minimalist kitchen embodies the art of living with intention, where simplicity meets warmth and natural beauty complements modern order. Through clean lines, wood accents, and a neutral palette, it creates a sanctuary that feels grounded and inviting. This design philosophy teaches that luxury isn't defined by excess, but by the quality of materials, the flow of space, and the calm that comes from balance. By embracing both a rustic soul and minimalist structure, you can craft a kitchen that's not only functional but deeply personal, a true reflection of simplicity and warmth in perfect harmony.